Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all students? Today we study the poem name is the naming of cats and stories. Look before you leap, haste makes waste, and essay my dreams. The name of the poem is the naming of cats. It describes the different names of cats. The naming of cats is basically discuss about the different names of cats. They have a different names in a social circle, in friends, and in generally public. The naming of cats at its most basic level talks about how cats have 3 different names. However, at a deeper level, the poem talks about identity and how people present themselves in different ways to the general public, to their family and friends, and to their most private self when they are alone. In the poem, the first name a cat possesses is an everyday name that any observer can use. First of all, there is a name that his family use daily, such as Peter, Augustus, Alonzo, James, Simba, different names of cats. All of them sensible everyday names. While some of these everyday names might be fancier, some for the gentlemen, some for the dames, they are nevertheless all of them sensible everyday names. However, the poem speaker says one name is not enough. Cats also need a name that is particular. Now we discuss the answers of questions. The poet says that the reader might think that he is crazy when he tells them that a cat must have 3 different names. Next answer is, the first type of name a cat should have is the name that the family use every day. And third answer is, the second type of name that a cat should have is a particular name that is peculiar and dignified. Another answer is, the poet does not suggest any female names in the first list. He suggests any 2 female names of the first type in the second list, Electra and Demeter. Another answer is, the fancier names that the poet suggests are Plato, Admetus, Electra and Demeter. And next answer is, a cat will be able to keep his tail perpendicular, spread out his whiskers and cherish his pride if it has a name of this kind. Next answer is, the third type of name is one that the cat knows that no one else will ever know. It is different that human will never discover what it is. And next, second last answer is, when a cat is in profound meditation, it is thinking about the thought of his name. And last answer is, the names are unique and seem to be invented for a particular cat. For example, a grey cat that likes a reading but can run fast might be called Speedy Ready. Now, what are metaphors? Metaphors are expressions that we use to compare 2 things, people or places. These are examples of metaphors. Your friend George is just a big baby. Next example, you are my guardian angel. Johnny's mouth is one huge metal factory. His students are puppets on a string. I wish you were not always such a chicken. That girl always there in one beautiful fox. The kids at that school are all brains. Xavier thinks he is a class clown. Life is one long scary roller coaster. My boyfriend is my knight in shining armor. Now we study the portion of English B story, Look Before You Leap, The Fox and the Goat. The fox was very thirsty. He moved here and there in search of water. but he found in a well and jumped into the well to drink water. He drank water to satisfy himself. Then he tried to come out of the well, but he failed. The sides of the well are too high. At last he got tired and started thinking to get out of the well. By chance a goat passed by the well. He peeped into the well and asked the fox what he was doing there. He replied that he was drinking water. The fox also invited her to get in as the water was pure and cold. The goat jumped into the well without thinking even for a second or moment. The clever fox was anxiously waiting for such an opportunity. He jumped on the back of the goat and jumped out of the well. The goat asked him how she could come. The fox replied that she should have thought that before she leapt into the well. So always think before doing any work. Your next story is a golden egg. One day a poor farmer went to the nest of his goose and found a shining yellow egg. When he picked it, he was quite happy and strange because the egg was quite heavy and it is in golden color. He found it was an egg of pure gold. Every morning the goose laid a golden egg and the farmer grew rich by selling them. As he grew rich, he grew greedy. He wanted to get all the gold at once, so he killed a goose and opened it. There was not any gold, just a dead goose. Now we study passive voice of future indefinite tense. Its assertive or simple tense is subject plus will plus shall. Will or shall, one helping verb is used, plus first form of verb plus object plus required work, and its passive voice is object plus will or shall plus be plus third form of verb plus by plus subject plus required work. It's a passive voice formula. Now these are the examples of future indefinite passive voice. You will sing a song. A song will be sung by you. He will not help me. I shall not be helped by him. Now I told you how to write essay, my dreams. My dreams mean what are your ambitions, what you wanted to do in future. First of all, highlight the points in introduction. What are your goals? What are your targets? In body you have to explain your all targets. What is your focus and how you are struggling to achieve your goal, how you are doing well to gain your target. At the end you have to write the conclusion, at which point you lie or at which point you reach. What you wanted to do for your country. See you next.